Hello and welcome back to our Flash series, Chapter 11, Creating Button Symbols. And in this video we're going to do something very similar to what we did in the last video. We're going to be building buttons, and this is actually going to be part of a more complicated stage setup. So let's go and find that now. Well, we're in Flash, we don't want to have this anymore, so let's get rid of all of that. And we're going to go File and Open. Now, we've done Button. Let's open TalkShop and click Open. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is creating a series of buttons which are going to be bound within these guidelines. But before we do that, we need to create a button. So I want you to make sure you deselect it first and then just click once on this area here. Go to Modify, Convert to Symbol. And once you're in there, I want you to call it Product Button. Make sure that you have selected Button and put the registration point not in the center, but in the top left-hand corner. Once you've done that, click OK. Now, here is our symbol, and here is our instant. What I want to do this time, instead of changing the instant, I want to do and change the symbol. So every time I pull on a product button, it's already got these various stages built into it. Now to do that, I want to double click on the symbol. And then I need to ungroup it. So this is deselected. Click once to select it. Go to Modify and Ungroup. Now, you will see that the area is selected and this little arrow here. Just deselect, and before we do anything else, let's go and put in keyframes for over, down and hit. Now the quick way to do that is to press F6. So here is F6, here is F6 and here is F6. Now we're quite happy with the up state because we can see that this is what it will look like on the stage. When I go to the down state, I want it to change color. And that color needs to be this. It is important that you just select the background. If you end up selecting both the background and the arrow, you're going to lose the arrow. So please make sure you've just got the backgrounds clicked and go into the fill color, click where the values are. And I would like you to put in the following. It's going to be a hash followed by 32, 6, F2B. And once you've done that, press return and you have a green color. Right, let's go over to down. Again, deselect and only choose the background. And what I'd like you to do is to choose a nice bright color. So I'm going to choose yellow. Then once you've gone and done that, we need to do the hit state. Again, the hit state can be any color. It doesn't need, we could even leave it on this color because the hit area is invisible, but why not just put another color in anyway? So let's just do that one. So down is when we've pressed, over is hover, and up is what it looks like on the stage. Okay, let's go back to scene 1. And let's go to Control. And from Control, let's do Test Movie and in Flash Professional. Right, so here's our button. Don't worry about this, but I can hover over it, I can click on it, and I can come off. So that is the result you should be looking for. Great, so thanks for watching. We've gone and created our first button. The difference in this video is that we edited that button as a symbol, not as an instant. So we'll continue to build on this stage in the upcoming videos. I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.